birds fly gracefully with a purpose, inspiring us to spread our wings and explore new things. It's when we chase our dreams that we find our own unique beauty. When we take a moment to really look at a bird's feather or a flower's petal, we discover the hidden beauty in the simplest things. It teaches us to appreciate the magic of nature's creations. When we look at the beauty of nature, we can see how everything is connected. And how important it is to take care of our environment. Nature's painting is full of birds with amazing feathers. When sunlight dances through the tall trees, it feels like nature is showing us a beautiful dance. Nature is like a colorful painting where birds fly freely. Nature is not just pretty to look at, it also has a lot of wisdom. That can help us live our lives with strength and courage. The colors and textures of nature are like a big hug from the world, reminding us that life is wonderful and full of surprises. Nature's art is always changing, just like the seasons. Nature's colors are like a beautiful rainbow. From the bright flowers to the shiny feathers of birds. Birds migrate across the sky, teaching us to adapt. The beauty of nature. Nature is like a superhero that has the power to make us feel better when we're stressed out. In the big picture of nature, with its tall mountains and peaceful lakes, we see beautiful scenes that are not perfect, but still show how special and real everything is. Birds sing their joyful songs like beautiful melodies in a concert, inviting us to listen and find beauty in the simple sounds around us. When we look at nature, we can see the magic that is all around us. It can inspire us to be more creative and imaginative.